Hey guys, Kevin Chavarria here coming to you with Stor-Mor Portable Buildings. I'm the COO here, and we are here to introduce to you a brand new product that we're launching this year, and it is the greenhouse that we're super excited about. Come inside with me and I'll show you why our greenhouse stands apart from everyone else and why you always get more with Stor-Mor. Much better. So the big reason we have chosen to launch this product is we have heard a lot from our dealers, from our customers, wanting a greenhouse and still remain the same looks of our portable buildings and all the qualities that we have. Our original floor foundation that we're using on our portable buildings, which is the 4x6 runners that are notched every 16 inches on center. And then from there, we have come in with a fabric. It's a landscaping screen that allows any waters or any moistures to drain through it, but it does not allow weeds and all the critters and insects to come up into your greenhouse where you've got your flowers and all your gardening. The next standard feature that'll be in this greenhouse is what you see here on the floor, which is the composite decking. You'll see that as well on our wraparound shelves that you see all around this building. They're roughly 23 inches deep in the length of the building and the width in the very back of the building. These are our workbenches that are very, very strong. You can obviously see this. That's a lot of weight, and it'll hold 3 times that. So the next standard feature is going to be the height of these walls. You'll see here, the stud height is 75 inches tall. Plenty of head space for all your needs, for anyone to walk in and have plenty of clearance. As you can see, the studs and the siding are coated with a woodscape stain from Sherwin-Williams. These 3x3 windows are strategically placed all around this building. They all operate and can allow airflow, and those do come in black and white. So that'll be a cool option that you guys will be able to have. This door here, it is a 43 by 72 inch door, which allows a small wagon or a cart to roll into your building. So the next feature you'll see on this greenhouse is the clear polycarbonate panel. That's going to allow for plenty of sunlight. All right, moving on to this fan. By turning that thermostat, that has allowed that fan to be notified that at X temperatures, it's going to turn on for you and create that draft. And by having the windows that operate and you can elevate them into certain positions, we're going to come over here to this door and bring this window up, and that generates plenty of airflow. Okay, so this greenhouse is going to be available in 3 different sizes: 8x12, 10x12, and 10x16. So there will be 3 different sizes there that you can choose from, and each one of those sizes will have the same features, all the same benefits, just obviously a little bit more space for your needs there. If you'd like to know more about this greenhouse, please go to our website or to your closest authorized dealer to have one of these in your backyard.